Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Facebook Messenger to your Meta account settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Facebook website. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the downward arrow icon on the top right corner of the page. Click on the downward arrow to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the next menu, click on Settings. On the left side, click on Messenger to access the Messenger settings. Here, you will see an option to connect Messenger to your Meta account. Click on the Connect button. A prompt will appear asking for permission to link your accounts. Review the permissions carefully and click Continue to proceed. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security check. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process if required. Once verified, your Facebook Messenger will be connected to your Meta account. You will see a confirmation message indicating your Messenger is now linked. Explore the settings to customize your Messenger experience within your Meta account. You can also adjust notification preferences and privacy settings from this menu. When you're satisfied with your settings, simply exit the menu. Your connection between Facebook Messenger and your Meta account is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.